What's going on, YouTube? Today we're installing this Wickerbill onto my stock spoiler, my 07 Mustang GT. I got this from Polar 66 Customs on Instagram. So I'm just lining everything up with the OEM spoiler. As you can see, my whole tape mechanism isn't holding up that well, but it's gonna work out. I really just need to go ahead and get one of these drills on the end, or one of these holes on the end drilled first, so I can have like a pivot point. So I'm gonna go ahead and line this up, drill a hole through that hole there, and get my first hole prepared so I can line up the rest of the spoiler. Yeah, I'm thinking like getting like the edges right.
Yeah. The very end.
Yeah. And just making one hole on the end, you know what I'm saying? I think it looks pretty good. Once I get the deck lid, I'll be all the way in the game. Get that big GT emblem off the back. Just put the whole carbon fiber on there. So I went ahead and lined the Wickerbill up, and I drilled into the OEM trunk. As you can see, those little shards of plastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my my tool so I can insert these studs here into the trunk. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this tool set. I got this from Amazon. It's basically a nut rivet gun. So this gun is gonna create threads inside the holes that I drilled out. And those threads are gonna allow me to screw in those pieces of hardware I just showed you. You see these holes are small, this one's big. I had to use a bigger drill bit so I can fit this M6 rivet into the hole, and when I use the rivet nut gun, it'll go in here and it'll expand the wall so that this can't move. So I'm gonna go ahead and make all these holes bigger with my drill bit, and go ahead and stick these in here, and I'll get my hardware, put the wing on, and then get your hardware, and then screw everything in. So I'm going to put this one in first to kind of test it out, see what happens. And I'll go ahead and do the rest, depending on how that goes. All right, so we're on the last one. It's on, it's installed. Yeah, that shit looks pretty good. I like it. It's pretty even on both sides. The rivets look pretty solid. They feel solid and tight. Alright, so that's the deck lid install. 66 Polar Customs on Instagram. SoCar Repair, SoCar Garage. It's another video. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace.